Now I can take my followers with me through my entrepreneurial life in ways I haven't been able before.
My name is Awura, and today I'm about to unbox this OPPO Find X2 Pro. Let's see what's inside. I'm seeing a huge screen, which I'm super excited about. I can just hold it in my hand, selfies perfect. Also, I'm seeing 3 cameras, which I'm incredibly curious about. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, it's gonna charge very fast. I'm really excited. Let's get started. Personal branding as an entrepreneur is incredibly important. The images I share represent the quality of my business. And just to be able to shoot pictures of high quality on your phone is awesome for the daily vlogs. I've been using this phone all day, and it's crazy to see that the battery is 90% right now. That means that I am able to react to emails, do phone calls all day, every day. This phone will definitely help me to step up into a new level of entrepreneurship. I'm really excited for the future.